Well, we have a massive update with Uber and Lyft drivers striking nationwide for better pay, for unfair pay. We have a lawsuit that was just filed against Uber and Lyft over unfair pay. We have the Uber head of rides just quit the company. Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi is probably freaking out. He's probably flipping flapjacks. He might have to start flipping flapjacks over at Jack in the Box because I don't know, could this be the end of Uber? I mean, drivers are really fed up right now, especially with gas prices. Uber decides, you know what, we're gonna cut the gas fuel surcharge for all of our Eats orders. So if you're an Uber driver and you happen to get an Uber Eats order, you ain't getting that fuel surcharge, buddy. Check your app, make sure you're getting paid, okay? Before I get started, I wanna thank our sponsor, T-Mobile. T-Mobile has recently purchased Play Octopus. It's this tablet company. And when you put it in the back of your headrest, they're giving you tons of money. They say full-time drivers average around $100 per month extra just for literally putting it in your car. You don't really got to do much else. And your passengers play the games. And if they don't even play the games, you still get money. It's literally so easy that it makes sense for every single driver to do it. And I believe they are now nationwide. So check out the link, type in your zip code, and it will tell you if your city is eligible. Okay, and you have to do 100 rides to sign up. Uber drivers, listen to this. I've gone on strike. Uber, now according to this, there's a worldwide travel chaos because Uber drivers are going on strike after this union calls for a strike. It's called App Drivers and Couriers Union. That called for a 24-hour national strike until midnight. The union for private hire drivers and couriers said today that Uber must obey a Supreme Court ruling and pay all working time to drivers, including standby time. ADCU London chair, so this is going on in the UK. Drivers haven't been exposed to hyperinflation while Uber refuses to either obey the Supreme Court ruling, which protects. So even in the UK, my friends, Uber's literally disobeying the Supreme Court. Sounds like Joe Biden. Sounds like what Joe Biden's doing after Roe v. Wade. He's like, oh, Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. Well, I'm gonna make sure that we fight that. I'm like, bro, this is the Supreme Court here. Shouldn't y'all be on the same page? I probably just offended so many people. I'm sorry. I'm not saying my opinion. I'm just addressing a similarity here because I thought it was pretty interesting. So, with that being said, there's also drivers striking. A lot of drivers striked on July 4th. I didn't see it on the mainstream news. Did you guys see that? I did hear a lot of drivers talking about it on Reddit and in the YouTube comment section. So comment down below, are you on a strike right now for driving, and what is your goal with the strike? So thanks for watching, guys. Take care and sign up for Play Octopus with my link below to get signed up and started making some awesome money as a rideshare driver with a tablet in your car. Very fun, easy. Talk to you soon. Bye now.